Hey everyone, this is Sarah from NETIA, and I have a use case for you with the kit at home. So in this case, I'm only going to use the FTP transfer tool because I already have my item, my audio file ready to send locally. So I just click on the toolkit icon and it opens this little minimalist transfer tool. So I'm grabbing my sound file. I can drag and drop it onto the toolkit. I have my metadata window. I enter the required fields. And then all I have to do is click send. And then my sound file, along with the metadata, is sent via the FTP server. Thanks, everyone.